Hello and welcome to Hastings Motorcycle Centre. We are delighted to present this stunning Honda CMX500 Rebel S, registered the 27th of March 2024 on a 24 plate with only 2,922 miles and presented in titanium metallic. This particular example has been meticulously maintained and cared for with a comprehensive Honda main dealer service history. Being the desirable Rebel S model, it benefits from the factory-fitted headlight cowl, fork gaiters, and diamond-stitched rider and pillion seats, giving it an even more distinctive custom cruiser appearance straight from the factory. The Honda CMX500 Rebel is the perfect blend of classic cruiser style and modern reliability, making it one of the most sought-after bikes in its class. Fully A2 license compliant, it opens the door for newer riders to enjoy the laid-back cruiser lifestyle without compromise. It also benefits from LED lighting, ABS braking and a comfortable riding position thanks to its low seat height and low center of gravity, making it approachable and confidence-inspiring for riders of all experience levels. Powered by Honda's proven 471cc parallel twin engine, the Rebel delivers smooth, dependable performance, with plenty of character ideal for city streets, weekend cruises or longer journeys. Its lightweight chassis, relaxed ergonomics and easy handling make every ride enjoyable, while the minimalist bobber-inspired styling ensures it turns heads wherever it goes. Built with Honda's renowned attention to detail and reputation for reliability, the Rebel 500 remains a firm favorite with both new riders and those returning to motorcycling after time away from the saddle. This superb example would leave us serviced where required, with a comprehensive pre-delivery inspection, 12 months MOT, and a 3-month warranty for complete peace of mind. You also have the option to extend the warranty to 12 or 24 months for even greater reassurance. We offer nationwide delivery across the UK, along with a range of flexible finance options to help make owning your next bike as straightforward as possible. For more information, please don't hesitate to call us on 0142 444 4448, email sales@hastingsmotorcyclecentre.co.uk or WhatsApp 07359837799. Please note there is a small £89 administration fee applicable to all of our motorcycles. Thank you for watching and we look forward to hearing from you soon.